Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Linux Mint 22.3 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Linux Mint official website and download. It is linuxmint.com. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 22.3 and its code name is Zena. Over mouse on this download and see here we have the Linux Mint 22.3 or just click on this download button. Then see here we have the different editions. Cinnamon, XFCE, Mate, okay, whatever you want you can download, but the installation process is same for all. In this video I am going to download this Cinnamon edition. Click on download. See, the size is about 2.9 gigabytes. Scroll down. See here we have the different mirrors. Click on any one of them. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 2.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is a default location. If you want some other location, then click on drop down and select location. Now select the downloaded ISO image. See, once you selected, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Ubuntu, and OS version is Ubuntu 64-bit. Don't select the checkbox. Then come to virtual hardware. Here I am giving 4 gigabytes as memory, 2 CPUs. Then virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is start Linux Mint, and hit enter. See, if you want to use this for live or test environment, you just use on shutdown. But if you want to install permanently, see here on desktop we have the install Linux Mint. Select it, right click, then open, or just click on it and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Then select keyboard layout. I am going with English US, both defaults. Then click on continue. If you want to install multimedia codecs, you have to select the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on continue. See, this is the fresh installation, so I am selecting erase disk and install Linux Mint as the installation type. Then click on install now. This is confirmation. Click on continue. Now select the location. See, this is my default one. You can select your location on the globe, or you can search here. See, here we have the different locations. Okay, it is up to you. Then click on continue. Now we have to create or set up user. I am giving user full name as R2 Schools, and this is a computer name or host name. This is a username. Then set the password for this user. Then click on, if you want to encrypt home folder, you have to select the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on continue. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. The installation has finished. You can continue testing Linux Mint now. But until you restart the computer, any changes you make or documents you save will not be preserved. Okay. So I don't want to continue testing. Click on restart now. See the message, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Now go to VirtualBox Manager. See here, optical drive is empty. If it is not empty, click on here and remove disk from the virtual drive. Okay. So go to here, hit enter. Now provide the password. See here, before you are having welcome to Linux Mint. I don't want this dialog box every time, unselect it and click on close. Notice here, before on desktop we are having install Linux Mint. Now it is gone. Now open terminal. Now verify the version more /etc os-release. See, we have installed 22.3 and its code name is Zena. See, its code name is Noble. Noble means it is like Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, Control L. The first step after connecting to Linux Mint is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is going to upgrade 45 packages. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Linux Mint 22.3 Zena on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.